Wait, do you feel nervous at the airport?
You understand English? But suddenly, you forget everything?
Don't worry, today we fix that.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Today you will learn easy English for the airport.
Real conversations. Real situations.
And yes, no stress, only simple English.
Ready? Let's go. You arrive at the airport. First step, check in.
Let's see how to speak.
Hello. Where are you flying today?
I am going to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one bag.
Please put your bag here.
Okay,
Here is your boarding pass.
thank you.
Easy, right?
Let's learn important sentences.
Repeat after me. Where are you flying today? May I see your passport? Do you have any luggage?
Say it again. I'm going to London. Here is my passport.
One more time. You can do it. Now, security check. People feel nervous here.
But don't worry, let's practice.
Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Remove your shoes, please.
Oh, really?
Yes. And take out your phone.
Okay.
Walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Perfect. You're good to go.